Hello everyone and good evening. At the outset, I would like to say that along with my both the members, your principal, your coordinator and you all, it's a big congratulations to all of you. And you have completed your third NAAC cycle. It is submitted to NAAC Bangalore. So, heartiest congratulations from our side. Now, every NAAC process has its own system way to go through it. NAAC has always been suggesting what to do and not to do because we are working in the different capacities all over India. We are moving, but every also giving something learning ground to all of us because that is a new place, new people, many things we have also observed. And I am happy that in many fronts you have, whatever you have done, the hard work, we try to give justice to your hard work. I hope that whatever you have tried to showcase or the preparations you have done, see, higher education is such a place where you cannot say that this is full stop. You have to keep on improving for betterment, and the new generation will come, many technologies will come, many things will be repeated or maybe new, but you have to carry all these things with you. So just few things I would like to say, that you have developed your college from alumni, from your students, from teachers, from even the parents we came to know. We have asked them that exactly what type of development they did. So various good positive things has also been just heard from them. But of course, there is as I am saying, there is a scope. I think this is the era of professionalism. You will agree with me. And this is the era of digitalization. So if you move in that, being you are in rural area, your all work, hard work is well appreciated. But still, when your student is moving for competitive world, then you have to be much more alert and you have to be in the tune with the system. Okay? I think it is very generic, but considering your situation, that whatever the university you have, you are following all the norms, that is not an issue. Extra efforts you are taking for the gender issues that we all three, both sir and I have appreciated. Girls also said that we are very safe and there is a good bonding between teachers and students. So clap yourself for Student has given you good feedback for all teachers. I am also telling principal sir that your teachers are really good and they are hardworking. So this is a big asset to any institution. Second is very important thing for any college, that is teaching learning part. And that is NAAC is also expecting that all modern methods as well as the participatory methods has to be inculcated. Or rather it should be a part and parcel of your day-to-day teaching patterns. So there is a scope, though you are doing it, but there are a lot of methods which are being followed by different institutions. As I know that you are associated with the TIS also. So TIS has also developed thousands of methods. So try to look at that also because that will be useful for your future development, students' future development. And students will enjoy the class, I'll tell you. There are such type of methodologies are there, but only need to think that how to go with that. You can arrange different workshops and you can take suggestions later on with us also. We are all tuned to that. So that is the need of the day which is going on. Yes, for evaluation part, you are doing good for a continuous evaluation and all that, but it will be definitely upgraded all the time. Now coming to the third part, where we talked in a different, ways and system, that research has to take a very, you can say the high jump for that, I would like to say. Why high? Because there are a lot of faculties, they are doing good, you are doing hard work, but research supposed to be have a different shape, rather better shape, There are many institutions, those who are giving funding for the projects, funding for the publication of books, even many such type of publications, which is very, very important from the point of view of the future generation. And for your caste and all that, it will be also important. So research, you please think on that. Take different type of, go to website, take help from peer members. They will tell you how to improve the level of the research. But your extension activities are again good, like NSS, NCC that we have visited. We really like the attitude of your officers who are doing it. So again, congratulations for that. Then we can understand that you have tried to increase the infrastructure, but going with the NEP and other features, you need more infrastructure. So we are telling your principal that after completion of this NAC, you immediately apply to RUSA 2. So you can get more fundings for building, because RUSA is always giving in different capacities. So that is again a need of the day. But still, in a, you can say the infrastructure like this, you need an administrative hall. I think administrative or rather this you can say seminar hall or a big hall. Yeah, auditorium. You can very right. Auditorium you can say. And with all facilities, all the rooms should have that facility. With this improvement, I think it will be again very good. Then coming to the student support, yes, your students are also very good. They are so, you can say, lovely to talk with them, because they are giving different type of feedbacks. Very honestly, they said this is the honesty which we have really liked it. Whatever the fact is there, they have told us. What is the good, it is they have of course told us, but what they need, they have also just suggested to us. So on that basis, few things we have suggested. We have talked with the principal and coordinator sir, even other members those who are along with me. And the best practices, we really like the first best practice, because you have been moving to the digitalization in all our system. So very good, very good. And that should be continued for all the other systems like library, like student day-to-day teaching and all that. I think that you can do, but it should be there. Then the green campus, of course, because now, because we are, as I have told you, that we are moving to different institutions. Everyone wants to say, want to say that we have a green campus. So again, you can think of a different activity. It is good, but still you can think of a different capacity, the system where your college will be known as, yes, this college will be known for this particular thing. So try to find out such best practices. You have, you can think on that, and only you have to put on the right way or the method. So this is with the criterion and suggestion. And one very important demand I am only focusing, not telling you all. Your principal and coordinator will, after when you get the result, you can have a meeting and you can talk on that. One important thing is, as I have said, the professionalism is increasing. So your students, from their point of view, I am saying, to also discuss with us that little long-term skill development courses are needed, like 6 months, 1 year, 3 months, like this, so that internship, apprenticeship can be covered, and then employability will increase, and that should be a part and parcel of any institution at present. So on that basis, they have also suggested about IT sector, about the communication skills, even the English and other languages like that, because that gives a different, personality to when you are applying for interview or going outside or anything in the project if you are doing. So think on those lines. I think you can definitely do with such type of suggestions, because you are already having something. You need to value addition has to be done on that. So with this, I would like to say a big thank you from all of three, that you have taken a good care, hospitality of all the three NACTIA members. You are also coming from very far parts of India. There is always a question that what will be the nature of the people, how we are going and all that. But so friendly you all are with me. Sir, your team, as I am telling him, is a good young staff, and all are helping, running all the way and doing the things. So really that made us very comfortable and happy. So thank you very much for that. And last not the least, that this is a journey where you have to keep on moving with very positive thoughts. I hope this will be definitely again one turning point for your college and for your own lives. You can definitely reach to the highest level. So wish you all the best, good luck. And one thing I should not miss, that the yesterday's evening was a wonderful evening with cultural program. It was a mind-blowing program, and we are telling your sir that send your team to some national level competition for cultural event. They will definitely do it right. So thank you very much for all the arrangements. Thank you very much for the cooperation. And we will be, of course, not there in the next team because it's a mandatory for the NAC that they will send a few people. But we will definitely like to see your progress in coming years. So thank you very much once again, and have a better day.
केकर पेस्ट्रीते जीवे जल सपारी वाओ आशाते लाजवाब न्यू विद्युत बेकारी टिप-टॉप टिफिने और हैप्पी पार्टी न्यू विद्युत बेकारी मंडे टू संडे ছোট বড় সবার পছন্দ একটাই নিউ বিদ্যুৎ বেকারি প্রতিদিন চাই চাই